Hi, I'm Rob. If you're looking to arrange unoccupied home insurance, you need to know that not all policies online are the same. You might find that some of the cover is basic and often with policy conditions that are difficult to comply with. If you don't arrange adequate insurance and a claim isn't covered or is rejected partially or in full by an insurer, it could really hurt you in the pocket and delay any plans you had for the property. If you're researching how to arrange unoccupied home insurance, you can relax. You're in the right place. Insuristic has developed an insurance policy specifically for this purpose. In this video, I'm going to explain why you should consider insuring with Insuristic. You won't find Insuristic on any comparison website because our unique product means you might not be comparing cover on a like-for-like basis. We offer 3 levels of cover: bronze, silver and gold, with contents coverage up to 30,000. You can find out more about this on our website. Our cover is flexible. You can insure for 3, 6, 9 or 12 months. And if the property is ready to be occupied earlier than expected, we won't charge you to cancel a policy. If you've paid for any unused cover, you'll receive a pro rata refund back to the card you paid with. You should be aware that many unoccupied property insurance policies will exclude claims from escape of water unless the water systems are drained. These claims can be quite costly, so it's usually recommended to do this. However, it isn't always practical. What if you're regularly in the house or you're trying to sell it during the winter months? You might need the heating on. If you have water in the system, you're exposed to escape of water claims. If you insure with Insuristic, we can provide some escape of water cover if the systems aren't drained on our gold level of cover, up to 3,500 for individual escape of water incidents. To maintain this cover, you'll need to keep the heating on at all times, set to a constant temperature of 15 degrees. We can also help protect you against the risk of underinsurance. Most insurance providers will ask you for a rebill value when requesting a quote. Whilst this will give you an accurate price for the cover you're buying, it's best not to guess the rebill value if you don't know it. If you underinsure the property, the insurer is likely to reduce the value of any building's insurance claim proportionally with the amount of underinsurance. If this happens, it could leave you significantly out of pocket. But don't worry, if you don't know the rebuild cost, we can still help you. You can choose to buy a policy with a blanket 750,000 of buildings insurance cover. Whilst this blanket cover could be slightly more expensive, and if you know the rebuild value, it will shield you from the risk of building under insurance, providing, of course, 750,000 is sufficient to rebuild the property. If you need more cover than this, our in-house broking team at SJL Insurance will be able to help you offline. Another risk for buyers of unoccupied property insurance is the need for regular evidenced property inspections. This can catch people out. Many of our competitors will require the property to be inspected every 7 days. They may also require written inspection reports to evidence each visit. This may be difficult for you to comply with. Plus, how do you prove the property was regularly inspected? After all, anyone could write a series of property inspections and dates down on a piece of paper. How do you prove the property was physically inspected if it wasn't done so by a professional for a fee? This could cause you problems when there is a claim. Again, if any claim is reduced or declined by an insurer, this could really hurt you in the pocket. Insuristic is different and will make this easier for you to comply with. We just ask for inspections once every 14 days with no requirement for written reports. The inspection can be done by anyone with a key and who has a mobile phone. The person inspecting the property only needs to take 2 images with their mobile phone, one of the front of the house and one inside. Our view is someone isn't going to take the time to visit a property, go inside and not have a proper look around to make sure everything is okay, so we don't see the need for written reports. Plus, the time and date is stored in the image, making it easy to evidence inspections in the event of a claim. So if you had a claim in 6 months, just share the 12 images that have been taken with our claims team to evidence you've complied with the condition. Simple. On the subject of claims, you'll only find out how good your insurance provider is when you come to make a claim. If there is a claim, this could result in a lot of work for you. If you buy a policy from Insuristic, you can relax. You'll get full support from our in-house claims team at SJL Insurance. They will help you submit your claim, arrange any loss adjuster visits, help organise restoration or repair, and will help negotiate the best possible claim settlement with the insurer on your behalf. So to recap, we can help you quickly arrange quality insurance cover online, and our insurance policy is only available from Insuristic. We make our policy conditions clear and we provide key information up front, making your insurance policy easy to understand and comply with. And lastly, if there's a claim, our in-house claims team will have your back. They will take the pressure off you, supporting you every step of the way, whilst negotiating the best possible outcome for you with the insurer. Why not take the 2 minutes required to get a quote and buy a policy online from Insuristic, and rest easy with the peace of mind and protection your insurance policy provides?